Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going to Kmart. We're going to look for underwear. If you remember, yeah, I've shown to you my broken underwear, worn out. Okay, we are now here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Center. We're going to leave the bike there and we go inside. Yeah, these are the underwear that they have. They are $15, 3 pieces, $12, 3 pieces. Yeah, it depends. This one is $6, 1 piece, $12. I have bought something like this, but I'm not comfortable with that. The one that I have in the house, I'm not using it, just stuck in the drawer. And the socks here, they are just $5.50. Depends on the quality. Like this one, 3 pieces, $5.50. Workwear crew. And I'm going to take this one. This is outdoor thermal crew, and it's $9. 1 2 3 4 5 pieces. But winter is going to end next month. September will be spring already. Oh, these are the sleeping bag that they have. The one that I bought here before, they don't have anymore. And you know, it actually comes with the temperature. Like this one, 4 degrees centigrade. The others like 8 degrees, 0 degrees centigrade. The one that I have, if I'm not mistaken, is 20, or I'm not really sure. This one is 11 degrees. My sleeping bag that I used during my backpacking is it's good. Like what I've said, the only problem I had was the socks. Yeah, I should wear double socks or thermal socks. Yeah, should be something like this. And about the tent, it's normal that there is a condensation, that there is water will you know, condense in the tent. Expensive or cheap, there will always be a condensation. Okay, I'm going to take one of these. I'm not big, I'm small. Yeah, this is $12, 3 pieces. I'm done with the Kmart. Now we're going to Aldi. Okay, we're going to take one of these. This is $49. And we're going to take one of this muesli. This is just $3.99. We are also going to take one of this lactose free milk. This is $1.59. Oh, look at this. They have this kind of tent, but it's very expensive, $129. And this TV, 50 cm, no, 127 cm is $449. Nice. I am now hungry. So those guys, they are returning their tin can bottles in exchange of 10 cents. Yeah, that is how the people here in Australia recycled. I'm not sure in another state. I mean in other state, but here in New South Wales, that is what they do. I am hungry. I am tempted of going to KFC or McDonald's. KFC is on the other side. Yeah, we are here in the KFC. Yeah, I ordered the usual one, original tender box. Oh, yeah, on this side the clouds is really beautiful because of the blue sky. But the one that I shown to you a while ago is not really good. Do you know that I've been already to the backyards of those houses? Yeah, I did walk already before that side. I was exploring and then I walk all the way down there. I have this mask. This is expensive. Yeah. I have milk. I have muesli. I have the socks. And I have new underwear. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 10:30. I actually wake up today at around 4 o'clock in the morning, and I was on my computer doing some editing, and I already had my breakfast. First I had coffee, and then I had this oatmeal that I bought yesterday. Yeah, that's my breakfast, and I am now hungry again. That's why yeah, I am preparing my meal. You know, this is the hamburger that is coming from Walmart that I bought maybe two months ago. I'm not sure, but it's long time in the freezer, and I put it outside 2 days ago, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Yeah, I don't like this because it has too much fat. Once you cook it, yeah, when you taste it, when you're eating it, you will feel the fat so much. Yeah, so I think I'm going to cut it in pieces and then fry, and then take out the pot and mix it with something else. I don't know yet. I think that's it. Too much oil. I still have some of this. I'm not going to fry all of them, but I put the rest together, and I'm going to put some paprika. Maybe it looks too much. Yeah, that much. I also have this brown sugar. 1 spoon of brown sugar. What else I need to put here? Okay, let's put a little salt and garlic. A lot of garlic. Okay, I use my hand to mix it. I don't know what else is missing here. It's going to be like a longanisa. I wanna check the taste. Let's put together with that. Ah, this is good. So this is like fried balls, fried meatballs. Okay, and this one that is like longanisa. We'll try how it tastes. Still hot. I want to put some more sugar. Okay, not sugar this time. We put some honey. And this is going to be my meal for the next 2 days. This is how it is now. Yeah, it's become longanisa. And this, I'm going to eat it with this rice. And outside it started again to be windy. And my rice is about to cook. Oh, it's warming now. And I put 1 egg inside. This is it now. I have this shrimp paste, egg, this burned meatballs, and longanisa. Rice, of course.